physiology of cells. Cytoskeleton, I think we are discussing about cytoskeleton. Components of cytoskeleton are components of cytoskeleton are microtubules, microtubules, intermediate filaments, and microfilaments or actin filaments. These are the components of cytoskeleton. Microtubule, intermediate filament and microfilaments. Microtubules are produced by the aggregation of subunits, alpha and beta subunits. They are hollow cylinders formed of alpha and beta subunits. Alpha subunit and beta subunit, in this way there are 13 numbers, and it is 15 and 5 and 5. Lumen 15. Aggregation of this subunits, and they are formed of these subunits. They initially form plates like structure, and then they fold up, and there are 13 subunits, and there is the hollow structure and hollow passage of 15 nanometer dimension, and these are 5 structures of great length in some cases, and they are dynamic cytoskeleton. It has a plus end and a minus end, where aggregation occurs. It is called plus end, and where disaggregation occurs, that is the minus end. And there are other proteins there, and there are also gamma tubulins at the level of the basal granules or the centrioles, from which they are formed. And they are important structures over which there are movement of the protein molecules, some organelles, or in chromosomes during cell division. They form mitotic spindle. Yeah. You can all remember your basic knowledge of mitosis. Near the nucleus, there is the structure that is called centrosome, and it contains the centrioles. And the centrioles, they are placed at right angles to each other, and they form, and their layer is formed by these microtubule-like structures, triplets. They are centrioles, and they are formed of 9 triplets. That is, if you take a cross section of this, and if you magnify, you will find that they are formed of this type of microtubule-like structures. And in this way, there is the triplets, 9 triplets. And in this way, there is the 9 triplets there, 1 to 9 through 9, these structures, and from which these microtubules are produced. And during cell division, they divide and they go to separate poles, and they are the microtubules over which attach the chromosomes. And during the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, during the anaphase, they undergo separation. From diploid in mitosis, from diploid number, they become tetraploid. And exactly equal or equivalent amount of, that is the DNA material, goes to the spores. And cell division is important.